Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday, and this is a great day. We have 3 things to do today. Our routines, our basic weekly plan if you work and you weren't able to get that done. There is a basic weekly plan for all of us today though. And our zones if you work and were unable to get those done. All right, or it done. So the routines are get up in the morning before the family. Now on Saturday, people may sleep in a little later. Maybe you get to also, but still get up before the rest of the family and get yourself ready for the day. If you stay in your PJs, you'll end up in your PJs at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And the day that you so looked forward to will have gone halfway down the drain. So make sure you get up and get dressed, and then get your kids up when it's time and get them through their morning routine. And then get on with your day. All right, so you can do paper clutter on Saturday because the mail runs 6 days a week in the United States. So we do paper clutter on Saturday just to make sure that we're not recluttering, right? So if you have any, go through an inch really quick and make sure the paper that comes in the house is gone through and not added to that pile. Laundry you won't have to do if you're an at-home fly baby. You've done it for 5 days. Maybe one of your children may need to do theirs today though. If you're a payroll fly baby, you may need to still do a little laundry today, so get it started early. The next thing would be our basic weekly plan. So the basic weekly plan for Saturday is Family Fun Day. So have fun, go do that. Now if you are still catching up from things you weren't able to do this week, like your weekly home blessing hour, your groceries, or your zone, then you're going to take time to focus on those things, payroll lions, and you are strong, so you can get this done and get it done quickly and get on with your day. You don't have to wait till 1 o'clock to enjoy your day. You can get your day over, all your work over and done with by 10 or 11 and have the rest of the day to yourself, so it'll still be morning when you're done. So here's my idea was during the week that you get all your weekly home blessing hour done piecemeal. So the thing that you would have left to do today is vacuum. We mopped yesterday, so vacuum. That's 10 minutes or you can delegate. The other thing is your zone, and that is your bedroom. If you didn't get your bedroom done during the week, then you're going to go ahead and work on your master bedroom, master closet, or master bathroom, one of those rooms, doing one more thing today if you got it done 3 times during the week. If you didn't get it done at all, you're going to dedicate an hour to these rooms, and no more than 15 minutes per chore, okay? All right, if it's decluttering, it's 15 minutes of decluttering. Throw away, put away, give away, complete the process, do it again, throw away, put away, give away, complete the process, do it again, throw away, give away, put away, complete the process, do it one more time, and that will get you a whole lot better off in that room. And then vow to do your clutter checks in there every day to make sure it doesn't get recluttered and so that you complete your process. All right. The next thing we're going to do is maybe you didn't get your groceries purchased. Maybe there's not a delivery service. Maybe there's not a pickup service, or you need to go pick up your groceries. So if you have to go buy them, get your list that you made this week at work, I know you did, and take it to the grocery store and buy your groceries, come put them away, and then enjoy the rest of your day. You should be done by then. All right, that's it today for the house. Now you may also be doing yard work on Saturday with your family, and that's fine. Just make sure you make it fun and make sure that you do have some family fun time today. In the evening, we're gonna have our after dinner routine and our before bed routines. You're gonna check, everyone, you're checking your calendar. You've checked it this morning, you're gonna check it again, your journal, your calendar, and see what's on it for tomorrow. Probably, for the majority of you, you're going to worship service. So you're going to plan your clothes, your children's and family's clothes. You're going to talk about it. You're going to talk about what you're going to have for dinner. You're going to prepare your children so that they are not caught unaware. You're going to get up in the morning and say, okay, time for church. Remember, we're going to have cereal this morning, and we're going to get a donut after church, or whatever, you know, whatever. You may do omelets and nobody gets donuts. I don't care. Whatever it is, you're reminding them. And then we're going to put on your pretty clothes, because kids, you know, are going to spill on their clothes. So you do want to save the pretty clothes till after breakfast. You know, you're the CEO. You can call the shots on this. But anyway, that's it. So I hope you have a fabulous day, and I hope you remember that you are beautiful. Bye.